All right, we got a fun surprise. We bought a large fry just to feed some seagulls. Because we did this a little while ago and it was so funny seeing how mad they got. Also, Soka's going through a shed, so the car's gonna need a good vacuuming. But yeah, time to feed some seagulls. I love how angry they get. They just do the funniest call out, like rah, rah. So the hubby's also sneaking one or two of them, but I think this will be fun. We're just looking for a good spot where they'll be, and then we'll go ahead and feed these guys. This is gonna be so dumb. I love it. Oh, seagulls, where are you? Oh, the first fry victims.
Oh, there they are. We must entice them.
Yes. Oh, seagulls. Yes.
Seagulls. Oh, look at that fatty over there. He knows what's going on.
Oh, they're all coming. Oh, yes, they know. Oh my gosh. He's doing that angry like call out. You are the angry one. Look at them going after it. Who is the lucky fry guy? Oh. Like maybe right here? Yeah.
You guys see this?
Who's brave enough?
It's right here.
Anyone? Any takers? You brave enough? I see you eyeing that up. Here. Who wants it? Come on.
Come get it.
Come get it. Come on. Come on. They're just holding their breath. Unlike you. Yeah, you're the vocal one. Here. Oh my gosh, did you see that? He totally went after that one guy. It's getting serious. I think the hubby's gonna come out too. What are you talking about? You grumpy little guy. Oh. Yeah, the doggos just get to watch. They would totally have a heyday, either trying to get the fries or trying to get at the seagulls. Oh my gosh, you're the seagull king. Are you gonna get it?
I'll tempt you with 2 gold.
You're the fatty that did it.
I'll tempt you with another golden fry.
They're getting closer. Up the ante. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you were a fatty.
Yep. That one's a fatty right there. I love it. They make such angry sounds when they don't get it. All the tempting food. The calls of anger. They're getting close to you.
Pretty darn close.
Like a couple feet now.
Quit shouting and eat your food.
Yeah, quit shouting and eat. Oh my gosh, that's incredible. And I feel like they're learning. Oh, whoa. That one almost swooped. You know, they're fighting over the fries, but it's not like they're brave enough to even come get them. But at the same time, they're like, no, this is my fry. You kind of have the brave ones that are coming in. You kind of have the bystanders from far away that are doing an angry call. He's a fat one, that one.
He's pretty cute.
Yeah, he's the alpha. Nice. Oh. Yeah, you did it, big guy. Nice. Whoa. That was a big one. I think you've made a friend.
I think so.
You've made a friend with the fatty. Come on, get the fry. Get the tasty. Yeah, come get it.
You don't have to be mad. Come here. Look. Look.
Instead of being
Look, it's
angry,
for
come get the
you.
food.
They're just an audience. Come. Little guy just got the fry.
Look how mad they get when one doesn't get the fry, the others get angry.
Right there.
Oh my gosh.
Quit chewing him. Just eat. Look.
I love how he fluffs out his feathers too when he gets annoyed. Here, you want a fry? Oh my gosh, that one swooped in. Here, go get the fry. Hi. You want a fry? Oh. No. Just you.
There you go. See what happens when you just keep yelling? You miss out on all the food.
Yeah. Will anyone take it?
Yo, Chungus, come here.
Yeah, Chungus, here. We're offering you double.
Double fry.
Double fry.
Double fry, bro. Go take it. I don't know how you're the alpha. There's other birds that are braver than you, I guess.
Yeah. There we go.
He's so pretty. I love it. You can take it.
Oh, he's a bit of a smaller one. What a brave little guy. And then Fatty over here.
Bruh. Bro, you're literally so close to me. You're not gonna grab that one? I'm gonna sweeten the deal. Bruh.
Oh.
This little guy here is pretty brave.
Yeah. That little guy is the bravest. This is like so close to us. Like just a foot out. Oh, yeah, he got it.
Chungus, stop shouting. I know. Hey, you're a brave one.
Yeah. He is a tinier one, but he's brave. I had no idea seagulls were such angry birds still. Till we started getting fries. And just their anger calls. You know, for that guy being a fatty, he's not super brave.
It's because he bullies.
Yeah.
He's a bully. Nothing brave about being a bully. There you go.
Come on.
Bruh.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. He got fumbled.
He's angry calling out with the fry. Did you see that?
Swallow.
He was holding it up and like.
You're gonna friggin' choke.
Yeah. Oh my
It
gosh.
was hilarious. Alright, guys.
Oh, it's a grand
Enjoy it.
finale. Go ham. Go ham. Go ham. You're the lucky ones because you Oh, they're all coming back.
You're not too late now.
Oh my gosh, they're all flying in.
Go get it.
And they're getting angry once again. Well, that was fun. Go Seagulls!
That was fun.
Goodbye. I'm sure we'll feed you more fries again.
Bye.
Farewell. And there they go. They're different feeding spots. Oh, you're coming. I'm sorry, I don't have any more for you.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, they're all coming back.
That's all. They realized we were the better feeders.
Yeah. Oh, they're angry now that we're leaving. Oh, the one fry left. Go get it. All right, you're the lucky one. Goodbye, good seagulls. Farewell. Till next time. 10 out of 10?
That was pretty
Feeding the seagulls? I think so.
They were dumb.
They were done. Well, that was awesome, and I think the dogs enjoyed watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.